All right, in this video, we're going to look at the bubble sort algorithm. This algorithm is also meant to be used to sort numbers, in our case, from largest to smallest. You can do other sorts with it, but we're going to do smallest to largest. Smallest will be here, largest will be there. And we have these numbers in an unknown order, but simply using that technique, we should be able to get the numbers to correctly be in order from smallest to largest. Okay, so just go ahead and follow along here with some scrambled numbers if you want. So, or just watch and then try it out. So what you're gonna do is, and it's called bubble because there's a couple ways to explain it, but the largest number is gonna kind of bubble up to the top, and the smallest one is gonna kind of whatever opposite of a bubble is to the bottom. Okay. So we're going to take a look at these two numbers. We're going to push them up from left to right, and we're going to flip them over and do a comparison. So now you're going to ask yourself, are these in the correct order? Meaning, is the smallest one on the left and the biggest one on the right? Yes or no? Yes, right? The smallest is on the left and the largest on the right. So they're in the correct order. So they're going to come back down. And it helps, by the way, to push these up when you do these to help you. So we're going to push these two up now. So notice I pushed the next two, which was in part of the other one. All right. In other words, what I'm saying is don't do this. Don't do these two. Push them up and then come over and push these two, skipping this. You can't. You just shift over one and you push the next two up. Okay. So now you flip these over. Are these in the correct order? Meaning from largest to smallest? No. So we're going to go ahead and flip those. Okay, now we're done flipping. We're done, and we push them back down. Now we shift one. So notice the fingers are just shifting one. So we're here. We flip them over. Are these in the correct order? Where we have smallest and then largest? Yes. So we're done comparing there. We flip back. Come over here. Push these up. Flip. Are these in the correct order? No. They need a switch. So we go ahead and switch them. And then we flip back down. Okay? Now we come back to the beginning again. All right? We're going to push these up. Are these in the correct order? No. So we need to do a switch. Whoops. I don't know if you caught it there, but okay, so let me flip them. Now put them back down. In this bubble sort, which is different than the selection sort, I come all the way to the beginning. There's no like, these are sorted and these aren't. We got to go all the way to the beginning every time. Okay, so we're done with that one. We're going to move over to this. We shift over, check these two out. Flip. Are these in the correct order? Yes. Let's flip them and return them. Shift over one, push them up. Are these in the correct order? Yes, they are. Flip them, come down. And then we shift over, flip. Are these in the correct order? Yes, they are. So we flip. And so was there a switch that happened along the way? Yes. We had one switch. So now we're going to go back to the beginning and check again. Every time a switch happens, you have to go to the beginning. Okay, so again, check these two. Are they in the correct order? Yes. So no switch happened. Shift over. Check these. Do we need a switch? Nope. They're in the correct order. Shift. Check these. They're in the correct order, so no switch. Shift, flip them, compare. Are they in the correct order? Yes. Now we got to the end. Did any shift happen? Did any switch happen? No. No switch happened, which means we're done. We don't have to do this again. So now we're going to flip over and check to see that everything is correctly organized or ordered, sorted from smallest to largest. And as you can see, they are. Okay, so this was called the bubble sort technique. Hopefully that's clear to you. The important piece is a couple of pieces. Make sure that you're checking two values at a time, shifting over one item each time. Don't jump. Don't go from here and then say, okay, I did those. I'm going to jump over here. No, just shift your fingers over one like that through each one. The other important thing is if there's a switch that happens during any one of those runs, so if the switch happens here, 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 or here, once you reach the end, you're going to have to go back to the beginning. You only stop when you go through and you say, okay, no switch, no switch, no switch, no switch, nothing else to look at, done. That's how you know you've finished. All right.